Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can message people while you're in game on Roblox. It's still loading, so let's just move on. So this is just to reply to anyone in the game, but if you want to reply to somebody on the Roblox messages, you're just going to select the three lines here, go to party, and here's where you can basically reply to messages that are on Roblox. I don't know why it's taking so long to load, but that's where you can reply. You're just going to select on one of the people to reply to. It's still taking such a long time to load. I'm sorry. Let's go here. Hopefully it's going to load, but it's just where you can reply to people while you're in game and you want to reply to their messages. Sometimes it will kind of show up, but sometimes it won't. So you're just going to select on the chat and you can just reply them. Yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.